Welcome to Chiang Mai, Thailand. Check out this view. I'm actually filming on an Insta360 1R right now. I'm actually super excited about this camera.
So what's so great about this camera is that it gives you the best of both worlds. You can swap the lenses, letting you get insane 360 shots in a super compact vlogging setup.
Got a little microphone up here and I can see myself, so it's like a pretty good handy little teeny vlogging camera. It's not so different. They have the 7-Eleven here. Right?
But I just love how all these Insta360s keep popping up like If you're new to 360, the shots you can get with this thing will blow your mind. The editing, simple. You can even use a bunch of AI templates that will do the work for you. We got a couple Insta360 1R set up. Yeah, let's see what kind of footage we can get out of it. If you're looking to dive into creating content with the Insta360 1R, you can grab the creator kit. That'll get you set up with everything you need to start shooting.